Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control your PS5 with your TV remote. This is very easy to do. So I just have my Amazon Fire TV remote right here. And on my PlayStation 5, I want to go up to the top and go to Settings and select this. Now scrolling down until we get to System. Then go to HDMI. Go to the right and make sure this is enabled. This is called HDMI Device Link. This allows me to connect my TV remote to my PlayStation 5. Now, also on your TV, you want to make sure you have something called HDMI CEC turned on, and it might be called something different for your specific TV brand, but it will be under the settings option somewhere. And on my Fire TV, I want to go to the home screen here, go to settings, go to display and sound, and then you want to turn on HDMI CEC. And this will allow you to control devices with your TV remote from the TV's end. Control HDMI CEC, capable devices using your TV remote, including playback, navigation, and power on and off compatible devices. So it's very easy to do once you have that turned on. And you might have to go to like a specific input to turn this on. On my Samsung TV, I have to go to like the EmuNet Plus signals over here. So just go to those and you should be good to go. Then there's other things on here as well as like one-touch play. If you turn on your PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch the input to the PS5. Then we have power off link, which sometimes can randomly turn off your PlayStation 5, so you might want to turn this off. It says if you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will also enter rest mode. So sometimes I have like a soundbar connected to my setup, and if I turn off my soundbar, my PlayStation 5 will automatically turn off by accident. So this is nice when you have it connect to your TV, you turn off your TV, your PS5 turns off. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.